staring right at us. So, for the second day in a row, we have solar storms going on, and right now, currently, there is a Category S2 event taking place. You can see here, and the sun very active as we're going toward the top of the solar cycle here. You can see it registered right there, and you can see here on the Lasco Soho, all that energy coming off of the sun. That did cause some shortwave radio blackouts, and it will continue to do that as long as these X flares come off the sun. Now, it seems to have a strong correlation with earthquakes. I've seen this for years. You can see right there on the map 3.3. They round that up to 3.4. And when we go to the earthquake map, you can see in the same time frame, Hawaii getting hit hard by big quakes and swarming. So this is in the volcanic region on the southern part of the island. You can see there the swarming that's ongoing with that. We've also had some odd quake activity, if you will. When I say that, I point out here off the east coast of Florida, that magnitude 4 that hit right there, and then going up Baja, right around Los Angeles, where they felt some quakes, and we're seeing a little bit of swarming activity there as well on the west coast. Now, they have a lot of water coming in from this most recent storm system, Pineapple Express. It dropped copious amounts of water all over the place. And if you don't know, if you've been missing the live streams where we cover this, what they've said here is that in terms of the big quakes in the San Andreas fault line coming unzipped, history has shown that somewhere around like 9 out of 10 of the big quakes have happened when there have been large amounts of water stacked up in this area. So basically, huge flooding throughout history. Anytime all that water weight has been sitting here, it has been enough to pop the fault. We're now seeing a lot of flooding coming through this area, and when the mountain ranges start to melt off and add to this, it's all about timing, and to me, that could very well be the key of what set things into motion here around the Salton Sea and unzipping some of these fault lines in California. But that is a look there at some of the quake activity ongoing and some of the sun activity. I will continue to update